Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with groundbreaking innovations that shaped modern science and technology, remains a towering figure. Born on July 10, 1856, in Smiljan, Croatia, Tesla's early life was marked by curiosity and an unwavering passion for learning. His father was a priest and his mother an inventor of household appliances, setting the stage for his future endeavors. Tesla's education began in Smiljan before he moved to Karlovac to attend high school. He showed an aptitude for physics and mathematics, often solving problems faster than his professors. After completing his studies, Tesla worked for a telephone company in Budapest, and it was there that he first conceptualized the principle of the rotating magnetic field, a breakthrough that would define his career. In 1884, Tesla moved to the United States with little more than a letter of recommendation to Thomas Edison. Initially employed by Edison, Tesla's ambitious ideas soon clashed with Edison's more conservative approach. Tesla left to work on his alternating current (AC) motor, which promised more efficient electrical transmission. His work caught the eye of George Westinghouse, who acquired Tesla's patents, propelling the war of currents against Edison's direct current (DC) system. Among Tesla's most notable inventions is the Tesla coil, a device capable of producing high-voltage electricity that remains crucial in radio technology and medical devices. Tesla also developed the AC induction motor, which revolutionized how electricity was harnessed and used. Perhaps one of his most visionary projects was wireless transmission, an idea far ahead of its time, envisioning a world connected by wireless communications. Tesla's major achievements include the successful demonstration of AC power at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, and setting up the first hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls. However, Tesla's life was not without challenges. He often struggled financially and faced skepticism from peers. Despite these hurdles, his dream of wireless energy transmission led to the construction of the Wardenclyffe Tower, a project that ultimately ran out of funding. Tesla's final years were marked by increasing isolation and financial difficulty. He died on January 7, 1943, alone in a New York City hotel room. Yet his legacy endures. Modern electrical engineering, wireless communication, and numerous other fields are indebted to his visionary work. In conclusion, Nikola Tesla's influence permeates our contemporary world, from the electricity in our homes to the wireless technology we use every day. To truly appreciate his contributions, one must explore his life and work further, ensuring that his legacy continues to inspire future generations of innovators.